are the top wellness products in our home that my family and I use every single day. We cannot live without these. They are must-haves. Behind me is our rebounder, the little mini trampoline. We love it. Do you love jumping on it every day?
Yeah.
Great for energy, lymphatic system, great pick-me-up anytime during the day, but it's great to start in the morning, and it really gets your heart rate up. Pregnant right now. For real.
It's a baby.
There's a baby. And just do it a little bit now. Yeah. I highly recommend this kind of rebounder. It doesn't have the metal springs. This is just almost like a bungee cord material. It's such a better rebounding experience.
I also have one back in polyxylene, but this one's the best.
This one's better. This one feels better.
10 out of 10.
10 out of 10.
I can fly.
Next is our swing master, the Zen Chi, the foot swing. People call it different things. Alex told me about this a few years ago, and this would be my number one. Like, this is the best. I also like that I can lay down while I do it. It's very relaxing. It's good for relaxing your spine. It's good for circulation, blood flow. I like to lay down, put on my noise canceling headphones or my earbuds, do a meditation, usually from the Waking Up app, put a blanket on top of me, little head on my pillow, and just shimmy. It is the greatest. You're gonna use it? Okay. I absolutely love the vibration plates. Again, they're great for energy. You stay on this thing for 10 or 15 minutes, your heart rate will be going up. There's actually a vibration plate that I like better than this one. I have the other one, it's black and white, and it's a different brand. A lot of people are posting this one now because, let's be honest, it's cute and it's pink. Nothing's wrong with this one, but since I've tried out a couple, this one is not number one. Last but not least, acupressure mats. I used to hate these. I had just the mat a few years ago. Never used it, tried it once, thought it was horrible, painful, the worst thing ever, got rid of it. Something called me to get another one in this past year, and I got one that also came with a little pillow because I thought, well, I'll probably never use this, but it comes in a whole little package. Let me tell you, the pillow I use even more than this thing. I've heard a lot of people use these for pain management and such. For me, if I have a headache, stress, tension headache, whatever, I can lay on this pillow for 10, 15, 20 minutes. I'll put on a meditation, use maybe a peppermint essential oil too, and all that paired together. It is so zen and so wonderful. Talk about a go-to now are these two things. And luckily, even being very pregnant, I can still lay flat on my back for a little bit longer. So I'm very grateful that I'm still able to use my wellness products that I have to lay flat for.